Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock your device and open Settings. Once done, go to General, then iPhone Storage to confirm space and app behavior. Make sure to note which apps are offloaded automatically. This helps you decide. Next, navigate back and open App Store Settings. That's where the Offload Unused apps toggle lives. You're preparing context, not just flipping switches, because understanding current storage patterns prevents surprises when apps vanish temporarily. Now focus. In Settings, tap App Store, then find Offload Unused Apps and toggle it off. You do this to stop iOS from removing app binaries when space is low. Data stays intact in most cases, but apps remain installed. Once off, return to iPhone Storage and review large apps. Manually offload or delete if you need space. This step ensures predictable app presence and avoids sudden redownloads when you need an app immediately. Finish by confirming the toggle stayed off and then reboot your device to solidify settings. If you see cloud icons next to apps, tap them to redownload. That restores app binaries without losing user data in most cases. If automatic offloading persists, make sure iOS is updated, then reset settings as a last resort. This clears misapplied preferences. One troubleshooting tip: a quick restart often resolves lingering behavior.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.